Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a customer feedback system with SurveyMonkey, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SurveyMonkey website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Survey button to start a new survey. You will be presented with several options. Choose Start from Scratch for full customization. Enter a title for your survey that reflects its purpose. Next, select the audience you want to gather feedback from. Choose your survey's theme and appearance to make it visually appealing. Begin adding your survey questions by clicking on Add Question. Select the type of question you want to use, such as multiple choice, rating scale, or open-ended. Write clear and concise questions that encourage honest responses. Consider using a mix of question types to get varied feedback. After adding questions, preview the survey to ensure everything looks correct. Make any necessary adjustments to the questions or layout. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab. Choose how you want to distribute your survey, such as via email, social media, or a custom link. Set any desired preferences for response collection, such as anonymity or response limits. After configuring your distribution method, share the survey with your chosen audience. Monitor the responses coming in by returning to the Analyze Results section. Use the built-in analytics tools to interpret the data collected. Look for trends in the feedback to determine areas for improvement. Consider exporting the data for more detailed analysis if needed. Finally, use the insights gained to make informed decisions to enhance customer satisfaction. Continuously update and refine your survey based on feedback to keep it relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.